What's up, YouTube? Alright, got another video for you for the Beamer. Alright, so today I got the new side marker lights. I bought the smoke version with the LEDs, a little bit bigger. Alright, so to change these out, you're going to take the light from this front corner and push it back towards the rear of the car, and then it's going to start to, loosen up, and then you basically just pull it out toward you. Need two hands for this, so let me see if I can get it. Alright, there it goes. Alright, next step, all this dirt right here, I don't want that behind the new light, so got my favorite dollar store cleaner. It's basically just an all-purpose glass cleaner. Take that, get all that wiped off. Alright, so now swap the light out. So again, need two hands for this. Alright, so there's a little tab right here. You want to push the tab in, and then that should pop off. Alright, then you want to check the socket on the wire in the light, see if they're the same. These look a little different, but it's close enough. I'm gonna try and see if it fits in there anyway. It's a little tight, but it fits. Okay, so next, see if the light even works. So just make it easy. Turn on the flashers. Just the factory version. And it's not working. Alright, so I took the driver's side light and put it in the passenger side. This light does work. I tried putting the passenger light in the driver's side and it still doesn't work, so this is a defective light. So I guess I need to return and get a set that does work. Besides that, you should always check a light or whatever it is you're putting in. Make sure it works before you finish the whole job. Okay, so it's been 2 days. The new lights came in. Tried both sides. They both work. So they're in. They work. Happy with that. Feel like these smoke lights hit with the paint a lot better. Hazards. And last video I made, I did the grill. It's all black grill, and I just did not like it. I let it stay in there for 2 days. Then I decided to take the grill back out. I left the black splines, but I put the chrome ring back around it. I feel like that looks a little bit better. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and see you soon.